Hello friends, welcome back to SPN Consultant. One thing I want to tell you that I have changed the name of my channel. I have kept the name as SPN Consultancy. In my old name already there was a guy with the same name. So I better thought of changing it. So you can like my new name and subscribe it. The name of the channel is SPN Consultant. Okay friends, let's continue the video. Today I brought in front of you a penny stock which is totally debt free. Yes friends, you have listened it correctly that this penny stock is totally a debt free share, and the market price or the current price of this share is 35.85 paise. 35 rupees 0.85 paise is the current trading price, and it's a very good share, and it is from the IT department, information and technology. And friends, today the total quantity traded was 28,79,206, and the deliverable quantity was 7,84,679, and in percentage you can see that more than 27% was quantity traded today. It's a very good share, and the name of this share is, you can see friends, the name of this share is Vakrangi Limited. Vakrangi Limited, it's an IT share, and the rate you can see today it made a high of rupees 38.25 paise, and after that profit booking came into it and it came to 35.85 paise. I am not recommending you to buy tomorrow, but just keep an eye on this share, as 2 days before this share was running at something around 28 to 29 rupees, and within 2 days it jumped to 8 rupees. So friends, focus on this share. It's a debt free and it is from the IT, so that's why I thought of bringing you in front of you. Thank you guys. If you like my video, then do subscribe it and share with your friends and family members. Thank you.